Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. I know it's been a minute since I uploaded a video to my channel, but here I am guys, ready to upload another video. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a quick makeup tutorial video. I'm gonna be showing you guys what products I use, and I'm gonna be going step by step and how I do my makeup. So yeah, let's get right into it. First, I'm gonna be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills brown gel and this thin brush to draw in my eyebrows. Now I'm going to be using this concealer to clean out my eyebrows and to also make them even, and it's from Juvia's Place. Whatever concealer is left on the brush, I'm gonna soften off my eyebrows, just the front of them. I'm gonna prime my eyes with this Morphe eye primer. And I'm also going to use some concealer on my eyes. I'm going to be applying the Influencer eyeshadow, and the palette is from Morphe. Now I'm going to be applying some concealer all over my crease area. gonna be applying some white eyeshadow on my crease area. Now it's time to put on the eyelashes, and I'm using the eyelashes from Kiss.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus.
Now I'm gonna be applying some foundation, and the foundation is from Juvia's Place. And I'm gonna apply it with the sponge, and I'm also gonna blend it in with the sponge. Now I'm gonna be putting concealer under my eyes, and the concealer is from Juvia's Place. Now I'm gonna be baking my face with the Airspun powder, and I'm gonna be applying it under my eyes. Now I'm gonna be applying this lipstick from Morphe on the shade Taloo.
In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting by some rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you.
Now I'm gonna underline my eyes with the same purple eyeshadow.
Something about you feels so special. Pretty other from the minute that I met you.
Now I'm gonna contour my face with this Wet n Wild contour stick. Now I'm gonna blend it in with this bronzer brush. Now I'm gonna contour my nose to make it appear a little bit thinner.
I know that we just met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind.
Now I'm gonna apply some blush on my cheeks.
Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you.
Now I'm gonna use this Too Faced highlighter. I'm gonna use it in my cheeks and my nose and under my eyebrows. So yeah, this is the end result of my makeup tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. See you guys on the next time.